You see this one. This is the flat brush. Okay, how to use this brush? These are some shapes: square, triangle, rectangle and circle. Okay, now I will try to apply the color, some color in the particular place, that is the square. You first take some paint and remove the paint in the brush. This is the point of the brush. Now see, you first start here, practice 1, 2, 3 times and then draw the perfect line. Your total focus is in this point, because this left side is the left side is perfect line, and don't start the starting point and don't end this ending point. Don't stop this ending point and don't start this starting point. See, next same like that. Now that another side, focus on your total focus is that right side. Practice 1 or 2 times and then okay. Now the horizontal position. Take this little finger's help and then support on your book. Now practice 1, 2, 3 times and then focus on the edge of the top. Don't shake your hand. Okay, now same like that, focus on your bottom horizontal. Okay, now these lines are okay. These lines are okay, but these are some on this corner's gap. How to fill the gap? Take the brush, remove the total paint in the brush, and then you just observe my work, this horizontal line, and apply the paint. Start with horizontal position, after that vertical position. Here vertical position to horizontal position. Here with a start with vertical and draw like a line horizontal. This is the correct way, but don't move your book in reverse like this. Set your book perfect position and then create the square like this only. After that you fulfill the color with equal angle and equal pressure. Equal angle and equal. This is fully in vertical way. Okay, apply the pressure, apply the paint in vertical way. After that in horizontal way also. The filling color is very easy, but these edges are, you must try to apply the color. These edges are perfect line and perfect angle also. Okay, that is the square. Next, type of brown? Dark brown. Dark brown. Okay. Green and red equal to brown. Now I will try to draw this triangle. Same way. You first practice 1, 2, 3 times inside the triangle. After that, draw the perfect line. Draw the perfect line on the left side. Draw the perfect line that other side also. Don't start that starting point and don't stop that ending point also. So now the horizontal line also same like that. You must touch the book like this flat type. Don't draw like this. This is wrong. If you want to use this flat brush, you must touch the book in flat end like this. Now you continue this one and then move the brush inside only. Inside means just like this. Just to twist the brush. That another side. See. You first. After that. Okay. This corner is over. Same. Along this line. And then twist the brush inside like this. Inside. Okay. Now fulfill the color. Make a triangle position. Both sides and horizontal also. Same like that this one also.